Hello guys and welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are shopping at Burlington. I'll show you everything new they have at stores. It's been a while since I have last uploaded Burlington shop with me. That's because I was not finding anything exciting at stores. I visit Burlington stores quite frequently, but now I do have some good finds, so I thought I would show you guys everything. So yeah, let's get started with this one. Hope you guys enjoy watching. They had a bunch of these elf O-Face stain lipsticks. All of these were in the shade Me, Myself and I found only one shade at Burlington, was going for $3 each. I also found this LA Girls roll-on lip oil new there. You get three different ones, orange, watermelon and also looks like lemon as well. And this set was running for $3.99. They also had this blush palette new there for Milani. You get three blushes in this, and this one was running for $9. Also, they had a bunch of these Real Techniques sets there. You get a sponge and a sponge case in this. Full size was going for $4 each. And for Milani, they had this gilded nude eyeshadow palette there, which was running for $9 and looks like this on the inside. For Cetaphil, they had these Derma Control SPF of 30 oil absorbing moisturizers there, which was going for $8 each. Also for this K-beauty brand Angel Aqua, they had this moisture skincare set for $7.09 on markdown. And this tone up cream set was marked down as well. You get two full sizes for $6.89. I also found this new Arabic perfume there at Burlington for $20. It is wood intense perfume, looks like very musky scent. Also they had this bari mist as well, which we have not seen before, was going for $6.99. For Wonder Beauty, they had these volume and curl mascaras, mini sizes, was going for $5 each. Then for Milani, they had all of these palettes in stock. So I found this Ungilded Most Loved Mattes palette, which is right here on the inside for $9. Then also they had this Gilded Gold one as well, which is right here, so beautiful. And this one was also running for $9. Then this palette was there as well, Luminoso, which looks like this on the inside. The color story is so cute for this one and was running for $8.99 as well. They also had this cream blush palette as well for them for $9. And I also found this Tarte Tartlet Energy palette out of the box. I thought I would show you guys on the inside. This palette is so beautiful, was going for $20 at Burlington. You get all of these eyeshadows. Very pretty palette. I have a lot of similar tones, otherwise I would buy this. The shades are so gorgeous. And for Believe, they had a bunch of these Hydration Heroes set for $20 each. I found this set at Ross for only $1.99. I have shown you this in my previous Ross finds. It was so exciting for me. They had it at Burlington for $20. You get moisturizer, cleanser, toner, also serum and eye cream as well. And for candies, they had this gift set there. You get pink ombre and vanilla ombre fragrance body mist for $10. They also had these juice hand and body lotion gift set there. You get 4 different ones. We have seen these in the past, was going for $8.99. And this cute Wet n Wild Alice in Wonderland gift set was for $22.09 now. Originally it was for $33 at Burlington. This is currently available at Amazon for $56. I thought it's so affordable here. And they had these nail polish sets there, perfecting pair, matching lacquer, and also this comes with gel nail color as well for Orly. This was going for $6. I thought it was a good price for this brand. And they also had this gift set there for SC. You get 4 mini sizes of nail polishes in this for only $6. Then this Root Cosmetics lip balm trio was on markdown this time for only $1.09. They also had this Ardell lash set on markdown as well. You get these beautiful bold lashes and was going for $2.99. They had a couple of those. And for Betsy Johnson, they had this cute gift set there. I thought I would show you guys. You get lash comb and lash curler in this. And the packaging was cute. And this set was going for $4.99. They also had a couple of different palettes there for Colourpop from their Star Wars collection. I was so excited to see this brand for the first time at Burlington. So here is the color story for this palette. All of these palettes are so beautiful, and here is the other one. And these were going for $6.99 each. And I also found this beautiful big palette as well, which we have never seen at any other discount stores. Looks like this on the inside. I love Colourpop shadow formulas, and this one was running for $11. They also had these little teaser gift set for elf. I thought I would show you guys for $3.99. And for brand Smart Care, they had this vanilla sugar hand sanitizer spray running for $3.99. They also had the scent cucumber melon as well, which for some reason was running for $6. They also had these Hydro Boost micellar waters for Neutrogena for $5.99 each. Then I also found Paris Hilton Velvet Rose Body Wash for $6.99. Also Olay Restores Hydration Body Wash as well, which was going for $5.99. For handbags, they had this beautiful Guess purse new there, which was going for $38. Also this one for Steve Madden for $30. This also comes with this cute little coin purse as well. Also for Steve Madden, they had this pink one as well, which this one was running for $22.99. And for Juicy, they had this crossbody purse new there. I thought it was cute and was going for only $17.99. And also for Juicy, they had this cream purse there as well, which also was cute and was going for $23. For Aldo, they had this bag new there for $27.99. It's a beautiful white bag. And also for Aldo, they had this one there as well for $29.99. I love their bags. This one is also pretty. They also had this big travel bag there for London Fog. They also had this cute bow bag there. I don't know this brand, but was going for $20. And here is the brand name. Also, they had this cute crossbody purse there for Juicy, which this one was running for $17.99. They also had this Guess lunchbox bag there, which is so pretty, was going for $16. Looks like great quality. Then this beautiful green bag was new there for Steve Madden. I like the style on this purse. It is so cute and was going for $28. For Aldo, they had this green bag as well, which was running for, here you can see, $27. They also had this Betsy Johnson black crossbody bag there for only $20. Then for footwear, they had these Guess sneakers there for $28. They also had this black one as well, which was going for $37. They have the color blue and also the brown as well for this style. And those were also going for $37 each. They also had a few Converse there as well. I like their footwear. This one was running for $35. And also they had this one new there for Puma, which was running for $37. It is cute. And also for Converse, they had these ones there. There is no price ticket on this one. For Juicy, they had these beautiful slides there for $15. Then also they had these there for Calvin Klein for $20 each. And then for Converse, they had this color as well for $35. Also, they had this one new there for Karl Lagerfeld for $47.99. Then I also found this jewelry set there, which I thought was so cute. This is for brand XOXO, was going for $5.99. They also had this set there for Aeropostale. You get 2 necklaces in this. This also was cute. I like to find good jewelry pieces at Burlington because their jewelry is very affordable. Then this keychain was so cute for Hello Kitty and was going for $7.99. They also had this Steve Madden gift set on markdown this time, was going for $7.49. I also found this cute necklace. There is no price ticket on this one. Then this bracelet was beautiful, was going for $10. And also for this brand XOXO, they had this bracelet there, which is so cute. It comes with earring as well, and was running for $6.99. Then this necklace for Juicy, This was running for $9.99. Then this Stitch stud set was new there, which was going for $12.99. Also for Stitch, they had this bracelet new there, which was going for $11.99. I also found this Hello Kitty necklace new there, which was going for $12. Then they had these on markdown for $4.89, and this one for $6.99. And one of you guys commented you want to see little footage of Cookie and Cream, my little kittens. I thought I would include little footage for you. They are so playful now and growing very fast. I love spending my time with them. They are curious about everything. It's so fun to be around with kittens. Anyways, thank you so much for watching me today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you soon in my next one, and bye now.